Hi, I'm Ging.
I'm Kat.
And I'm Pal.
And you're listening to the 1% Marites here in Sydney. And this is your weekly dose of chismis worth spreading. Sabi ni Char.
Di ba?
Di ba? 3 takes.
Pero mas okay na yun,
Okay.
Yun
Thirds of
talaga,
charm.
sabay-sabay kayo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parang kailangan natin yung parang
Synchronous.
choir practice.
Oo.
O sinong sa atin? Sino mataas ang boses?
Pwede ba mataas lang yung pangalan? Ako na lang po.
Pinakomplikado na naman. Ayan.
Anyway, may guest pala tayo.
Yes.
Today.
Ang ating kagalang-galang.
Hindi siya kagalang-galang nung Saturday. Nung birthday ko siya ata yung pinaka na-intoxicate.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Pero it's okay. We love
Actually,
you.
oo.
We understand.
Madami naman tayong mga experience na gano'n eh. Lalo na ako, di ba? Ganun din naman eh. Kaya, nagigets good. Anyway, siya pala si Charmaine.
Hello.
Friend ko siya for like 15 years na ata. Ang tagal na,
Tagal
ah.
na, yes.
Oh my
Yes.
God. Matagal na yun, ah. Grabe, ah. Ang friendship natin. Gusto ko muna siyang pasalamatan kasi pumayag siya ngayon as guest. Siya ata
Yes.
talaga yung first, natin, ah.
Ay,
Siya yung first official, no?
First official.
Oo, siya talaga.
First
Glad to be
official.
here, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bakit nga pala si Char yung naisip mong first official guest?
Kasi di ba, nung birthday mo, di ko alam na meron pala siyang pinagdadaanan. So, nito lang kami nag-connect ulit nung birthday mo, nung Saturday. So, her story, it's worth sharing. So,
Guys.
so parang not just for me, for the viewers as well who experience quarter life crisis. Di ba? So, thank you, Char, for coming today.
I'm happy to be here. Thank you, guys.
And thank you din kasi sulit na sulit sa'yo yung bottomless lunch.
Nagulat ako. Char is so generous pala. Kasi nung
Paglasing.
nagpa-refill siya,
Bigyan ng dalawa.
tinawag niya si Kuya, bigyan na nun. $10 ba yun?
No, $10.
Parang ang taas.
Magkatabi
kami.
Magkatabi kayo.
Hindi kasi...
Chismosa.
Because he was looking after us so well.
Yeah, I
And
know
that's why
that.
like, kasi $10 lang naman. But I always tip naman kasi.
Pero
like,
you're not
especially-
tipsy pa that time. Alam mo pa yung ginagawa.
But I always
Nakakapag-tip pa eh. Pag tipsy na, hindi na nagtitip.
Hindi na nagtitip.
And then he was looking, and after I gave him a tip, talagang he was looking after me din. He keeps giving me drink, that's why.
Kaya naman pala.
So next time, ganun pala ang technique.
Kung gusto mong malasing.
At saka
Bigyan
gusto
ng
mong
tip.
nilulook
True.
after ka. Kahit ang naglulook after yung waiter.
Oh.
Kesa yung partner mo.
Sana. Ano na, bigyan mo ng tip yung partner mo.
So happy ako na sulit sa'yo yung bottomless kasi sa akin hindi.
Ay, hindi ka pa na...
Hindi ko nasulit.
Hindi kailangan niya din entertain
I know
yung mga
why.
guest eh.
I know.
Bakit?
Madaming kausap si
Si
Kat
Cassie.
eh.
Oo.
Actually, we didn't even speak. Kasi hindi naman kita katabi.
I think that's why kahit hassle mag-organize ng mga events, nakikita ko talaga na kakaroon ng na connections.
Connection.
And mga things na na-open up mo na usually hindi mo may isip mag-open up. Kasi nga, sanay tayo na we're all doing our own individual things
Yeah.
and then kung may kasama ka sa bahay, usually dun ka mag-vent or dun ka mag-open up. Pero nung birthday ko, okay lang na hindi ko nakausap lahat ng tao kasi naman, for me, mas, fulfilled ako na nakikita ko yung mga friends and yung mga guests ko. Sila naman yung mga nag-uusap. And then, yung na-mention nga na I think Char is going through something.
Yeah.
Na ako bigla, na feel bad ako kasi sabi ko,
Ay, di tayo nag-usap
sobrang
kasi.
busy ko ba nung
Yeah.
birthday ko na I invited her tapos hindi man lang ako nagkaroon ng chance to have that
Makausap
conversation.
siya. Oo.
During that time, nung sinasabi ko na yung mga naramdaman ko, I was fine na eh. Like, tapos na yung pinagdaanan ko eh. So, that's why I was ready to tell people kung ano yung pinagdaanan ko. Kasi, if I was going through that, still the same thing, na hindi ako masaya. Like, I will feel like, like, deep down inside.
Magbe-breakdown ka nga doon.
Oo,
Same
magbe-breakdown
day.
ka talaga. But like, I was fine na eh. So, I was ready to tell people kung ano man yung mga pinagdaanan.
Yeah. And yung sinabi ni Ging or I don't know kung si Pao or kay Ging, basta yung pinlan namin yung next podcast na gusto ka nga nilang i-guess. Sabi ko, ano bang topic? Is it going to really be midlife crisis, quarter life crisis, kind of like this same thing in a way. Kasi sabi ko, yung word na crisis, ang bigat niyan. Because when you think of health crisis, ibig sabihin there's a state of emergency.
Yeah.
Parang we need to do something now or else. So yung sinabi nila na may midlife crisis ka, nag-worry ako na parang, is she okay? Na ano ba, parang kailangan ba ng intervention? Does she need professional help? Ganun na yung takbo ng isip ko kasi hindi pa tayo
I
nag-uusap
know, pero
eh.
I went through like, parang, I feel like I was giving up as well.
Pero would you consider yourself going, na you actually went through that? Would you call it a midlife crisis or
don't-
quarter life crisis?
Maybe quarter life, like Pao said nga.
So
Quarter life
you live
siguro.
until 120 years old, no?
Hopefully, but
Well,
How
di
old,
mo
how old
alam.
are you now? You wanna
32.
reveal?
I'm
32.
na. Yeah, pero like I was going through so much emotions for the past couple months. You would think, I mean, people would think around me na we've
Okay
got a
ka
house,
lang.
okay lang ako, we've got a house, okay lang naman din yung work ko. Pero like people doesn't know na kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Kasi I don't tell people naman unless like someone asks me na it's just not that. It's not all that. Na just because you have a house, masaya dapat ba? Like like you really need to find your purpose in life. Yung parang kasi I was so lost, like I wasn't happy with my relationship.
So,
ganyan.
kailan to nag-start? Like, nung na-feel mo yung ganyang
Actually,
emotion?
yung parang nung siguro pagkalipat namin dun sa bahay na parang kasi like I'm just so tired of everything na ako lang yung lahat gumagawa. Ako yung gumagawa lahat sa bahay. Like, like I clean the house every day. Siyempre nakakapagod yung mga ganun.
Sorry not me to butt in, pero pag sinabi mo kasing quarter life crisis or midlife crisis ba yun, parang ano ba siya? Kasi I don't know kung napagdaanan ko na ba siya before. Hindi kasi ako like yung tipo ng aware doon sa na yon, sa kind of crisis na gano'n. So pwede ka bang mag-share ng something na ano ba yung feeling?
Parang
Paano ba siya
when you go through
ma-identify?
crisis like that,
Good question kasi how do you know if it's a crisis or it's just your normal challenges lang na day to day?
Daily, yeah.
Hindi, kasi...
Or emotional
the
ka
thing
lang
is, like,
that day.
I don't know, but I was going through it for the past couple months. Na, like, I thought I was slowly checking out din dun sa relationship ko. So that's why I feel na this is different. Yun nga, yung parang ang dami kong iniisip na like, I'm not getting enough support. Like, especially sa partner ko. Kasi he's so focused on himself eh. Like, I get it naman. Like, he has a business to grow. Pero yung feeling ko yung crisis din na parang you're just not happy about everything. Like, you just feel like giving up. Like, you don't even know. Like you just like holding on that thread na para hindi ka lang mag-give up. Yeah, that's how I feel na parang
Parang may mga things na nagpapasaya sa'yo before, pero ngayon, yung mga things na nagpapasaya sa'yo before is hindi na masaya sa'yo ngayon.
and it's
Ganun
like,
ba yun siya?
I just don't know what my purpose is.
Parang minafe-feel ka na yung lack of achievement. Kasi I read this,
Yeah.
Feeling not good enough.
Yeah, lahat yun. Like, it's all of that. Like, lack of achievement, feeling not good enough, ano ba talaga yung parang, the thing is, like, I know I'm capable of doing something great, but I just
You're
don't
not
know
doing-
how to do it, or like, ano
How
ba
to
yun
start,
talaga.
yeah.
But, I mean, okay na ako ngayon. I think you really have to lose yourself to be able to find yourself again.
Yes,
Kasi
very
ngayon,
true.
parang, feeling ko nahanap ko na yung sarili ko. Like, I feel different, man. Like, I just feel different. Like, sinabi ko nga dun sa kay Zach kahapon na parang, like, I just have this so much energy na, I'm like, 2025 is gonna be my fucking year, Kasi, I've never thought then, sinabi ko rin kay Ging kanina, I met up with my friend na magaling din mag-motorbike. And then, like, we were just talking about something like, parang sinabi ko lang na parang, it used to be so much fun before when we used to ride, like, back in the days. But now, it seems so different. Tas parang sinabi niya kasi daw, people that rides now, yung parang, they focus more on, like, just content lang instead of actually riding.
For the fun of it.
Oo.
For the thrill of it.
Oo, pero-
Content. Gusto lang nila mag-create ng
Instead
content.
of like talagang actual riding, Tapos sabi ko, oh my gosh, yung parang, it was good na I met up with her kasi now, like, I wanna create something different. Like, Kasi wala pang ganito masyado sa Sydney especially yung parang mga stunt rider, like, doing wheelies and stuff. Tapos, yung parang, ewan ko, bigla lang pumasok sa isip ko na I really wanna pursue this. Kasi, there was so much fear holding me back before na parang, di ba, ayoko na nga mag-ride on the road kasi I was always getting done. I lose my license 4 times na. So, I just don't wanna pay too much fines as well. Pero yung parang ngayon na parang, wala na akong pakialam kung ano man mangyari sa akin. But I have to achieve this.
Pero ang galing mo, ang bilis mo maka-cope. Kasi, nung nag-usap kami nung Saturday din na sabi niya, yun nga pinagdadaanan niya. Tapos, parang, yun, hindi ko alam kung ano yung length yung nung parang nung pinagdaanan mo siya and then ngayon parang bigla ka nag-boost. Alam mo yun? Like,
it's so weird. I don't even know why.
Saan mo yun kinuha? Like, we're not, like, hindi naman tayo nag-uusap or siguro may iba kang mga kinuhanan ng mga ideas or nakatulong sa'yo. Ano yung mga...
I listen to a lot of podcast din kasi. Pero yung parang sa akin, ang sinabi ko na lang sa akin, sarili ko. Kasi, like I said, like, I always talk so negatively na kung, yung parang, I just complain about things instead of like, parang ngayon, iba na yung iniisip ko na instead of complaining about things, like do something about it. Like, ano ba yung mangyayari? Pag complain ka lang ng complain, di ba? And that's what I said, like, you have to talk positively. Kasi, that's what you attract eh. It's like, if I talk so negatively, that's what I will attract. Do you know what I mean? So, pero if like I talk like positively about sa buhay ko, kasi at the end of the day, I'm the only one who can change my life. No one else. Alam mo yun. So, as long na you're making a progress siguro na may ginagawa ka talaga. So, talaga namang mag-workout yung buhay mo.
So, what did you do para makakope? Like,
I think yung, anyways, I think yung last draw ko yata, yung sinabi kong sa relasyon ko na hindi ako masaya. And that was the first time I ever said that to him.
Naging open ka sa partner mo?
I was scared too kasi it's either gonna go bad or,
my
good or
God.
bad.
parang risk eh.
Grabe.
Risk talaga. Ano ka ba naman sabihin mo na hindi ako masaya sa'yo?
Oh,
Like, you know what I mean? Tapos sinabi ko bakit hindi ako masaya.
Ano yung mga reasons mo bakit hindi ka happy?
Ayun yung parang sinabi sa akin, I feel like you never really supported me na like, whenever I bring up some sort of an idea, like instead na maging positive ka, negative na agad yung mga sinasabi mo. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya na nakakalimutan mong, like I have to grow on myself too.
Parang hindi na take into consideration.
Yeah, and then like, sabi ko, you're the only one who's growing. What about me? Sinabi ko sa kanya. Tapos, that was the first time nga yung sinabi ko sa kanya na hindi ako masaya sa kanya. Kasi, yung takot din akong sabihin, no? Kasi, it's either gonna be...
Baka maging big issue
mahirap din kasi yun
right
maging
na.
open talaga.
Yeah.
Yun yung first, talaga, na ang hirap ilabas kung ano yung nararamdaman
Habang
mo.
kaaway kayo eh.
Pero hindi kaya siya it's either kasi natatakot ka kasi hindi mo pa kilala yung partner mo kaya hindi mo alam kung paano yung i-react niya
No,
doon.
I think
or...
that time, nung sinabi ko na sa kanya, I was ready kung ano man mangyari.
Okay.
Really? Oh my God.
Yeah, so parang, kung nangyari, kung maghiwalay man. Kasi actually, I was so surprised na hindi siya nagalit masyado. Pero sinabi ko sa kanya yung mga dahilan na you don't look after me that much.
Pero how long have you guys have been in the relationship?
Tagal na.
Oo, ganun na ba?
Almost
Kahit
8.
tagal.
I think it was so good that I let everything out.
Ang laki ng impact pag partner mo. And you're not supporting your partner kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin.
Totoo din.
So would you say na yung crisis na na-experience mo, your relationship played a big part? Kasi
Oo
parang
naman.
he's like the center of the story at the moment.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's all that.
Nabasa ko din to sa article kasi yung part siya ng life crisis nga is yung when you're transitioning, you live it with your mom, di ba?
Oh, pero
Dati. So
pretty
now
much
you
all
guys
our life.
move in na sila together. So part din yun ng crisis na parang ngayon silang dalawa na lang. Parang may transition na naganap.
I
Like,
need to do
diba?
everything.
Do everything. The laundry. Like, yung parang normal na housewife. Ikaw gagawa lahat.
Big change talaga yan. Kasi umalis ka dun sa comfort zone mo din.
Pero ngayon talaga, yung parang nung nasabi ko na sa kanya lahat
Part
ng
din yun.
nararamdaman ko. Di ba sinabi ko, I'm gonna get back into riding. Kasi I'm gonna create a community. Like, may business idea na talaga ako. And I think I can do it. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Zach na I have so much adrenaline going through my body. Tapos, ayun nga, sabi ko I wanna get back into riding. Tapos parang, supportive naman siya. He's trying. He's trying his best din to support me in a way.
Pero grabe yung meron kang certain passion or there's a strong identity
okay.
that goes with your life back
Yeah.
in the days yung nagbabiking ka.
Pero-
And bumabalik ka pa din hanggang ngayon. So,
Yun
ano
nga ang
meron?
sinabi ko na rin kay Ging kayo. Sabi ko, I think what's meant for you, it's meant for you. Because I never thought na I'm gonna get back into riding on the road. It's the fear though that's holding you back. Pero ngayon na parang, ala na talaga akong pakiram, whatever happens.
Hindi, kasi yung riding din naman is
It's
something
very
that you
risky.
love.
Oh, yun nga. That's what I'm
So
passionate
it doesn't,
about.
you're passionate about it. It doesn't matter kung, yung
I know.
risk. Kasi nandun talaga yung risk eh. Kasi physical activity.
At
yun.
saka, how do you do it responsibly? Kasi minsan may nakikita ako sa road, nagdadrive ako, nagwiwili talaga sa
Gitna.
Sa gitna
Sa
ng
gitna
road.
kalsada.
I mean, gagawin
Ako
ko na.
yung natatakot para sa kanila kasi baka talaga sila eh.
But the thing is, that's what I'm gonna do. Although, gagawin ko naman in a safe.
I think that's what's important kasi we also don't want to
naman,
encourage and
syempre.
tolerate you na do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Kahit na you can get done like speeding. Syempre,
No,
we
syempre
don't
naman.
want that for you.
Ayoko naman talagang mangyayari yun. Pero like, what I wanna sort of create, parang I wanna inspire other people to get out of their comfort zone din. Kasi like, sa Europe kasi talaga sobrang daming mga babae na napakagagaling. And dito, wala masyado talaga.
This is you sa riding.
Oo, sa riding. So, even nung before talaga din, when I was riding so much back then, talagang, I created sort of like, hindi na ayoko nang sabihin famous ako, pero like,
Di ba famous nga siya?
No,
Sinabi
hindi
sa inyo
ka.
eh. Humble lang siya.
hindi kasi, pero people were talagang kilala ko.
Ano kasi
Sa
tawag?
riding community yan,
Sa
di
riding
ba? Bike
community.
riding.
Ano kasi
talaga.
tawag dito? Baka isipin na ride na
Motorbike riding, sorry. Motorbike
Okay.
riding.
Ay, tawag doon, trail, what do you call
Oh,
it?
yung parang yung thrill yung hinahanap ko.
Enduro.
Yung parang
Yan,
ganun, something like
enduro,
that.
oo.
Pero, and I know, feeling ko, na once na I get back on the road again or riding, and then I feel like I'm gonna create something. That's how I feel. Like, di ko alam kung, mangyayari.
Well,
but-
starts sa action.
Actually, ang plano ko talaga is I need a motorbike first. Yun na muna talaga.
Pero
Kasi,
ang galing, ilang years mo na siyang ginagawa?
matagal na, I was riding for the last 10 years, pero I haven't been riding for the past couple years.
So, tingin mo, that's one of the biggest reasons parang bakit nawala ka dun sa purpose mo or dun sa, yung nawala yung fun, yung meaning,
Yeah, nawala
you lost
din.
yourself.
I think, feeling ko talaga I'm meant for riding.
Pero totoo yun. Pag yun, syempre, pag nagkaka-partner ka, tapos you guys move in together, tapos may work na kayo, sarili-sarili. Yun yung parang starting na you're gonna start to lose yourself na parang nawawala yung passion mo kasi busy ka na sa bagay, yung circumstances mo ngayon, yun na lang yung focus mo. Wala na yung focus sa sarili mo.
Bakit kaya ganun?
Although, naalala ko may story ka na it got to a point na ang gastos ng hobby
Magastos
mo.
talaga.
It wasn't,
Sobrang
I don't think,
magastos.
kasi Zach was supportive when she was riding.
They actually met.
Through riding.
Exactly.
Right.
So, pero
nice.
there was a story one time, sinasabi ni Char na ang gastos-gastos na nga nung hobby niya.
Super magastos naman talaga. Pero the thing is now, it won't be as magastos. Kasi before I was doing track days, which is very expensive. It's like 300.
What is track days? Explain.
Yung track day is like, you can speed as much as you want on the track. Like, na hindi
may
na-
track.
Oo,
it's
track talaga. Racing.
Yes,
Naglo-loop
it's just
lang
like
kayo, di ba?
straight. Yeah.
Naglo-loop lang siya, di ba?
Yeah. You just, obviously, like, you go turns, and then, like, you can go as fast as you can. Like, doon ka din gagaling talaga.
How much yun per hour?
So, not per hour, pero
Or
for
per
for
hours?
example, on a weekday, I think it's around $285. And then weekends is $335.
How
Per
many hours
visit?
yun?
For you get 4 sessions and then 6 laps. Yeah.
Grabe naman.
Kaya nga,
Mahal pala,
mahal
expensive.
talaga.
Track lang yun. Wala pa dun yung fuel cost.
Sorry,
wala
6
pa
session
din
pala. 6
accessories.
session, then
Kaya nga.
I think 6 laps then or something. But yeah, it's expensive.
So, anong reason bakit ka nag-stop? Hindi na namin kasi alam yung
No, because it was
nangyari.
expensive.
So, it was purely
Oh, no.
for financial reasons?
Yeah, it's just that I know because I want to travel.
So, nagkaroon ka ng
nag-iba.
another goal.
Oo, nag-iba.
Yung goal ko. Saka ngayon kasi, and I thought then, like, kala ko I'm not gonna get back into writing kasi magse-settle down, whatever. Pero medyo nagiba yung yung tingin ko ngayon sa buhay. Like, I think before I actually want to settle down, kasi it will eventually happen kung ready ka na talaga.
Totoo. Yan din minsan yung good thing about, experiencing quarter life crisis or midlife crisis Kasi you're getting the opportunity to reflect upon sa mga nagawa mong decisions before. And then i-align mo siya doon sa kung anong kind of person ka na right now. Kasi wala naman taong nagsistay, the same person as she or he is 10 years ago. Diba?
Yeah.
So, yun naman yung magandang doon, na idudulot niya. Yun nga lang, syempre, since it's a crisis, marami kang pagdadaanan.
Of course, ganun naman talaga. And who knows, maybe in a few years time, I know, yung parang I'm gonna go through the same thing. Hopefully not. Pero like, iba na yung, I have a vision this time. And like I said nga na parang excited ako kung ano man mangyayari sa akin, like, for the next few months or next year. And this is the first time talagang parang may na-feel ko na like, I'm gonna create something.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Naano ko kasi, may na-feel kasi ako. Parang na-feel ko kay Char na, siya, next level yung confidence niya when she said it.
No, because
Can you share a
May
little bit
power.
about this
May
vision?
power ba?
I
May
don't know.
power.
I don't know.
Okay,
Parang
kasi parang my vision, I have this idea.
Kaya
What
nga,
is it?
I've been listening to a lot of motivational stuff then, and then like, like,
So,
alam mo ba, before talaga, I don't want to say I was against about law of attraction. Pero like, nag-iba na nga yung yung vision ko nga, na parang like, damn, it's true, man. Like, you attract what you like, think. Yeah. So,
Totoo yun.
if you always talk about negatively about yourself, yun din na ma-attract mo. And it's the same with people.
So, di ba? Kasi yung vision niya nag-iba niya. So, na-attract tayo sa kanya. Na parang, huy, iba yung energy ni Char ngayon Kasi kami din, like,
kaya
we're
ako
in that
speechless.
level. Alam mo yun? Yung parang,
Kaya ako medyo na speechless kasi I don't think na since meeting Char, siguro
like
mga
this,
10 years ago, I've never heard her say that I have a vision, I want to create something with so much confidence and conviction na parang,
I think,
sino to?
ibang Char ba yung kausap mo?
Kaya nga,
Ganun na yung clap natin Diba? Nagulat din ako kasi parang...
ako din naman, nagulat din ako sa sarili ko.
Well, hindi naman kita nakilala, unlike si Ging and si Cathy na...
Yeah, nakilala ka
sobrang-
last year yata or something, isn't it?
oo,
Couple years
ata.
ago.
kailan ka
2022.
22.
Okay.
So, though kasi yung aura mo ba na
Yeah.
pinapakita is someone who's super jolly. Pero don't get
Yeah,
offended
that's fine.
na parang someone na hindi na palabiro, na hindi sobrang seryoso
Which I
sa
am
buhay.
naman talaga.
So,
Yeah.
nagulat lang din ako kanina, like si Cathy na, oh my God, bakit ang seryoso? Bakit parang ang lalim, ang deep?
yes. Iba
So,
siya today.
Hindi mo ma-judge talaga yung isang tao dun sa panlabas na ipinapakita nila.
Pero the thing is, ganyan din naman talaga ako. I mean, like, obviously, like, mas seryoso yung buhay ko, and then mapa-joke din naman talaga ako. That's just how I am though, as a person.
Parang na-curious tuloy ako. Like, ganun ba talaga? Like, yung mga comedians, di ba? Parang ang saya-saya. Pero, ang daming pinagdadaanan. Like, sa
May
buhay
nickname
nila.
yan. May nickname yan nung back in the days sa group of friends niya. Di ba ang tawag sa'yo, remember, because of your hair?
O, payaso or something.
Payaso, ang tawag sa kanya. Clown. Pero
That's
is
so
it because
deep.
of your hair or yung personality mo talaga? Is
Maybe it
you're
could be
just
both. I
palabiro?
don't know.
Hindi,
Palabiro naman kasi talaga ako.
like, ano naman kasi si Char, talagang
Chill lang naman ako
authentic siya pag nakikipag-usap. Hindi, prank ka din yung,
Parang din ako. Actually, sinabi nga nung friend ko
pag hindi niya gusto, like, she
Oo,
just said
pero
it.
like one of my friends said to one of her friend na parang ako daw yung isang tao na pag ilagay mo lang daw sa gitna she would start talking to me.
Kasi
She will
confident
make
ka.
new friends. Yun ang sinabi. Sabi ko, wow, that's so nice to hear na, that's how they see me. Yeah.
I think I also see you as someone who's tough. Kasi bukod naman sa tats niya.
Yeah.
Look at her, di ba? She's
Oo
tat all the way through.
Oo.
Yung image kasi ni Char, parang ang strong. Hindi mo mai-imagine na coming from her, sasabihin niya, Guys, may midlife crisis ako.
Oo nga eh.
What? Anong pinagsasasabi mo dyan?
Nagulat
Parang hindi ka
nagulat din
maniniwala.
ako.
Exaggerate, ha?
Parang hindi ka maniniwala,
Oo.
parang ganun.
Hindi.
Because
Kasi
I don't show it though.
she doesn't show
Yeah.
it.
Totoo
You would
din.
have
Yun na
zero
nga.
idea. Sobrang strong ng personality niyan.
Nagulat nga lang din ako eh.
Oo, nung nagkausap tayo.
What?
Next.
Hindi mo mahalata sa kanya, kaya kailangan strong din ng alcohol
No, because-
para mag-express siya.
Hindi, actually, I wasn't drinking then.
Tsaka usually, like kami, pag nag-hangout, talagang
masisinan
may
yung mga-
alcohol,
Yeah.
alam mo yon. So,
Pero masinsinan lagi naman din pinag-uusapan natin.
oh,
Pag
pero may kasamang alcohol. So, parang minsan, hindi walang, parang yung ano natin, conversation natin, hindi na din natin naaalala the next day. Alam mo
my
yun?
God.
So, hindi wala ka na,
Yeah.
hindi din nagsisink in sa'yo.
Good thing nasa podcast tayo
Yan.
recorded.
Oo. Ito na nga yung purpose ng 1% Marites, di ba? We want the conversations to be documented.
Ayan. So,
May resibo.
Oo. Surprised din ako kasi ngayon, like, sobrang yung confident niya makipag-usap na walang alcohol and then, alam mo yon parang,
Would you say, since 16 ba, 15 years na kayong magkakilala,
Oo.
would you say na hindi mo pa siya totally kilala within that 15 years?
kilala ko si Char. I'm like,
Yeah.
oo. 100% talaga. Kilala ko yan.
Pero nung sinabi niya may midlife crisis siya, like,
Hindi, parang sinabi ko lang sa
Na ano
kanya
ka
na I went through it
Oo.
already.
So
you
sabi
went
ko,
through it.
bakit hindi mo man lang, di ka man lang nag-message or hindi mo
Ay,
man lang
kasi like for me,
kinonect?
ayokong, you guys are creating something. Tapos ako, I was like, being depressed or whatever. Ayoko naman parang i-drag down ko kayo sa mga nararamdaman ko. Because like, you guys are doing your own thing. Or, kasi I don't wanna share my negative thoughts
No, cause,
to other people din.
kasi din kami, like, we went through the same. Kaya, andito kami ngayon sa podcast para to help people din.
What you say.
Gusto din namin makatulong sa ibang tao na they have to speak up. Kahit hindi mo pwedeng sarilinin yung problema mo. Mag-reach out ka your friends, di ba? Family or ano. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa kanya. But
Yeah.
hindi mo man lang ako tinext or message. I don't mind.
And I think, ako for me, with real friendships, we don't have to wait for the other person to reach out. Once in a while, magkulitan lang sa GC or magpaparamdam ka lang na, hey, are you okay? Are you okay,
Pero,
Char?
are you okay?
dahil nasabi mo na yung ganyan, pero ano ba guys? Are we okay?
Are you
okay?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
It's Are You Okay month na, di
Month,
ba?
oo.
It's Are You Okay Day sa September 12.
Oo.
Kaya,
Next week.
Yeah.
yes.
Can you explain ano yung Are You Okay Day?
Yeah, so Are You Okay Day in Australia, it's a national campaign where they encourage people to have meaningful conversations, whether it's with your colleagues or yung mga kasama mo sa bahay, mga friends mo. Kasi tayo, when we say, how are you doing, how you going, mate, are you okay? We say it, but we don't expect this deep response or yung mga emotional response from people. And I guess we're not expecting everyone to be trained and experts at this, pero it makes a difference when we ask that question because it just makes people feel seen and cared for.
True.
And so here in Australia, may nag-start ng campaign yan. I'm not sure how many years ago na. And it inspired the whole nation to the point na every year, sineselebrate yung campaign.
Naging tradition na.
How long has
And
it
it's
been
not
about?
just once a year that we're encouraged to ask people, are you okay? It's actually an
I-apply
everyday
every
because
day.
life happens every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yung yung topic ngayon, I think sobrang ganda lang din nung timing kasi nga Are You Okay Day na
That's
next
true.
week. And I mean, I'm so sorry if we didn't even realize that you're going through something kasi
But I don't show it,
life is so
Oo
busy.
nga.
Hindi naman sinasabi namin na dapat mag-reach out ka, dapat mag-message ka. I think it's enough for us to show na we're here if you
Yeah.
need us. You know,
Yes.
you know where I live.
You live nearby
I know,
na
but I've
eh.
been actually itching to like, tawagan ko kaya sige, ganyan. Pero parang, okay lang, wag muna. Oh,
I don't blame you kasi syempre sa world of social media, we project how good our lives are. Diba? Usually naman sa Facebook and IG, TikTok, you just post your highlight reels. Hindi mo naman ipapakita dun na umiiyak ka, na de-depress ka. And I think
Depende sa content mo. Kung yung content mo, sad girl, sad boy ka.
Di ba yung parang hindi nyo malalaman na I was going through something because I don't post anything on social
Nawala
media.
ka sa social media.
Titingnan
She
mo
went
nga
dark
po.
on
Pero
social
minsan
media.
ganun talaga, no? Yung totoong may pinagdadaanan, yung totoong depressed.
Hindi mo talaga-
Hindi mo malalaman talaga yun.
And ako, ayoko nang maghintay or ayoko nang mangyari pa yun na may mabalitaan ka na something really bad happened to your friend and then magkakaroon ka ng guilt or regret kasi hindi ka man lang nag-reach out. Hindi mo man lang tinawagan. Kaya ako, as silly as it seems, yung phone ko, 24/7 available, accessible.
Hindi ka
Basta
Guys, alam nyo na
basta wag
kung
ka
sino
lang
i-message nyo sa Marites.
Huwag ka lang spammer kasi ibablock talaga kita.
O kaya, pwede bang mangutang sis?
Kamusta? Pautang.
Gosh, yung mga kamusta na.
O guys,
alam mo na-
narinig nyo, open siya 24/7.
Ang pangalan niya, tsaka yung contact number. Or email.
Company email.
address.
Tsaka yung pay ID ko.
Ay, may bayad.
$40 per session.
Grabe.
Hindi, joke lang. Hindi kasi, siguro I grew up talaga na yung mga friends ko, a lot of them come to me for a chat. Like yung mga deep and meaningful chats. Kasi hindi naman talaga lahat ng tao may expect mo na kaya nilang mag-create ng ganong safe environment. So, I don't know what my friends see in me. Ako lang talaga yung go-to person nila. So, it's as if I've seen a lot and I've heard a lot na mga pinagdadaanan ng mga
Pinaalala
friends
tuloy
ko.
ako kasi.
And then, grabe lang yung pakiramdam na parang if only I can take you out of that situation, if I have the power to, ginawa ko na. Kasi I don't think that life is so precious for us to just look at somebody and be a bystander then tinitingnan mo lang sila and you were not doing anything to
Parang
help them
nagigilty
out.
ka, no?
Oo, hindi ko kaya na you're just watching someone wither away and waste their lives away. Kahit naman mag-advise ako or mag-coaching ako or anong
Hindi
motivational talk yung ginawa ko. And if they still choose to do something different, wala akong pagsisisihan. Because the last thing I want is to wake up, may mabalitaan ako, something happened, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, in-ignore mo yung phone call, in-ignore mo yung message. It's been ringing and you're avoiding. Kahit may masama yung loob ko dun sa friend ko na yon or sa taong yon, if that phone rings and it rang more than once, talagang naaano ako. I have to pick up. My life doesn't have to be perfect for me to extend help. Kasi minsan ganun tayo, yung para bang feeling natin, kailangan I have my shit together first. You have to have your cup full before you can pour out to others. I get it, but I will pour whatever I've got in my cup. I'm not saying na kailangan totally exhausted and drained ka. Pero kung ganitong katiting na lang yung meron ako, I'll give you half of
As
it.
long as you can.
Yeah, exactly. Kasi I will find ways to replenish. Marami akong ways to recharge. 'Di ba? But never kung gustong gawing excuse sa sarili ko na hindi mo pinansin, hindi ka tumulong, hindi mo sinagot yung phone kasi wala ka sa mood. Kasi sad girl ka. Kasi pagod ka. Yeah, I can be tired, but if I pick up the phone, kahit nga makatulog ako, nakikinig lang ako, but that person would feel na may nakinig sa akin. Ay, mahalaga pala ako.
Yeah, that's
Importante pa pala ako kasi may sumasagot pa ng tawag ko. Kahit na ang dami kong friends na I haven't seen them in like 5-10 years, wala. Pag nagkita kami, it's as if
ganun
you're
pa rin.
picking things up where you left off. Kasi ganun talaga akong ganun ako grabe magbigay ng ganun yung level or yung definition ko talaga ng friendship.
Yeah. Which
So,
is good.
that's why I wanna say sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Ako
Libre
din
na
naman.
lang
Oo
kita
nga,
ng-
Chara,
libre
next
na lang
time,
kita ng
next time.
Starbucks.
I'm the one who didn't reach out as well anyways. Pero like, I was talking to Janine.
Si Janine. Minessage ko siya nung nakaraan, nung after
nung nagkita tayo.
Nagkita tayo. Kasi like, nasabi ko sa'yo, di ba?
Baka ikaw na yung next guest namin.
Yes. So, nag-message kami, magkausap kami nung last week. So, yun nga, connect ulit. So, yeah, we had a really good chat.
Alam mo ba, naisip ko din na life is hard, pero actually life is so beautiful talaga.
Sobra.
It's just the way, like, it depends how you see it.
Totoo
Kasi
yan.
ikaw lang din naman nakaka-change ng buhay mo.
Share ko yung yung kahapon, nagda-drive ako to work. Oh my God, like may nafe-feel ako na parang, biglang naisip ko na malapit na ako sa work siguro, mga 15 minutes to work. Na-realize ko na ang sarap mabuhay.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam bakit. It's just like, dumaan lang sa utak ko na, wow, like I'm driving, na-experience ko yung ganito, and then I can see the sunrise. Alam mo yun, yung parang,
Small things na-appreciate.
Bigla akong, oh my God, bigla akong na-appreciate yung life.
Hindi, pero kasi you just have to be grateful about everything. Kasi
That's
at the end of the day,
nice.
laki naman talaga din tayo eh. And there's so much more na yung ibang tao mas may pinagdadaan ng mahirap kaysa sa atin. So,
Importante yun na appreciate mo yung mga small things. Kahit pa yung pagkagising mo sa morning, tapos walang masakit sa'yo.
yes,
Alam mo yung ganun?
Or healthy ka,
yes.
you're so independent.
Exactly. At nagising ka the next
That's
day.
true, that's true.
So, yung mga
Yun
ganun,
yung first thing.
importante yun eh. Kasi kung hindi mo ma-appreciate yung mga maliliit na bagay, di ba? Paano ka magiging grateful sa mga...
Sa lahat ng
Di ba? Exactly.
makikita mo.
Oo.
Yeah.
Saka mabilis naman din talaga kasi ang buhay, I think. Like life is just like that. It will just go just like that. Kasi
Tignan mo, yesterday lang, ano bang ginagawa natin?
Oh,
Nagbabike, skateboard.
Nagbabike tayo. Like sabi ko, di ba ang sarap nito? Na-miss ko yung ganito feeling.
Diba?
Like nakikita ko yung mga trees. Alam mo yun, na aamoy ko yung fresh air, di ba?
Tapos kailan ka ba huling natakot dahil sa kapre?
Hindi ko alam
kapre
eh.
pa dito.
Ang dilim. Ang dilim.
Nagtatakotan sila para mapabilis yung cycle.
Ang bilis ni Ging. Kasi kwento natin sa kanila.
Sige.
Kasi nung nag-bike kami, yung Paramata Cycleway kasi walang poste
Ilaw.
ng ilaw doon.
As in
Yung
madilim.
bike
As in, madilim ba?
Madilim
Sobra?
na
wala
talaga.
Tapos puro
Street
puno sa
lights.
gilid. Tapos may beach ba yung tawag doon?
Lake.
May lake. Yun. So, ang dilim. Madilim na. Parang wala ka pang makita. Wala kang maaninagan. Kasi talagang walang ilaw. Yung ilaw lang ni Ging yung sa harap. Tsaka ilaw ko sa likod na kulay red. Yun lang yung ilaw namin. Mahina pa yung ilaw ko. Tapos, may time na nagbabike kami. Merong parang, alam mo yung pag sinindihan yung posporo tapos hinipan, yung amoy nung phosphorus.
Oo.
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus. Yan, kaya nga phosphorus.
Oh, madami po. Di ba? Ano plural ng phosphorus?
Phosphorus. Oh my God. Pero yung
Ano
tawag
ba
doon, di ba?
posporo?
Match?
Matches.
Yeah, sorry.
Ang witty mo doon, kainis ka.
May amoy phosphorus. Tapos parang may amoy yosi. Ganon. Yung namatapos.
As in, amoy ba talagang
Oo, naamoy yung pagdaan.
Amoy phosphorus.
Siguro merong jujuts dun sa gilid or what. Hindi namin nakikita kasi mapuno nga. Sabi ko, Ging, may nagsinding posporo, may nagtataba ako. Sabi ko, wala, may kapre. Tapos, bilis niya. Yung speed namin na 10 kilometers per hour, naging 25.
Hindi nga.
Tapos pagod na pagod ako. Ging, wait lang. Wala akong ilaw sa harap. Malabo pa
Tapos
naman mata ko.
parang pabalik-balik tayo, no?
Eto pa, siya yung nagde-navigate. Ay, dito tayo, liko tayo. Kasi ang daming sinara eh. Olympic Park na ba banda to? Tapos sabi ko,
Ang layo nung narating nyo.
Alayo.
hala, oh my God, ba't nagdaan na naman tayo sa malaking puno? Oh my God! Sabi ko, Ging, namamaligno tayo, magubad ka,
Parang natrap kayo na paikot-ikot na lang. Oh my gosh.
Kaya
Sabi ko,
scary.
Sabi ko, Ging, magbaliktad tayo ng damit.
Superstition eh.
Diba, superstitious belief yun na kapag ka naligaw sa Pilipinas, diba, pag nasa, bukid ka or forest,
Magbaliktad ka ng damit.
tapos naliligaw ka, magbaliktad ka daw ng damit.
I don't
Kasi,
think it's true though.
Superstition nga eh.
Oo.
Superstition,
Oo,
oo.
matatandaan.
So it's true for the people that make it true.
Yeah.
That believe
Kasi
in it.
it's a collective
Yeah,
belief
because
eh.
that's what they believe eh.
Yeah.
You're putting meaning on something na wala namang meaning.
Yung mga ano ba yun?
Bakit nga ba?
So, ano
Are we gonna talk about
Even yung
this?
even yung kapre, I've not seen one. Sabi nila sa Sikihor, madaming ganun.
Oh my
eh.
gosh, and the manananggal.
Oo.
Yung
Totoo
mga-
ba yun?
Hindi ko
Manananggal?
alam eh. I've never met one.
Sige, mag-go tayo ng theory.
I wanna
Actually,
see it in the flesh.
all of these are demons though.
Oh my God.
Mag-go tayo ng theory. Sige. Hindi ko rin kasi alam kung ano bang
Ano to?
pinaniwala nun eh.
Ibang episode na to ah.
Ano ba tayo? Are you okay? Matakutan sex.
November episode.
Ay, may ikakat lang tayo at least meron tayong may
Let's save it
story.
for the November.
Pa-November na kasi. Pero usapan natin to on November.
Pwede tayo mag-podcast tas naka-costume.
Pwede.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Pwede, I love
Suotin ko
it.
yung nurse ng Silent Hill ko.
To. Back tayo sa topic. Back tayo kay Char.
Di ba yung simple moments, yung appreciate the small things.
Yeah.
So, Char, ano ngayon yung mga na-appreciate mo sa buhay mo ngayon na after mo pinagdaanan yung crisis na?
I mean, like, obviously, na-appreciate ko na I'm still alive, I'm healthy,
And sexy.
sexy, na may bahay kami, you know.
Yun naman ang important.
I have a work as well na it pays good naman. It's not that bad. So, parang nag-iba lang talaga yung vision ko ngayon na like creating something. And I feel like, I think it's gonna happen.
I think or it will.
It will happen, sorry. It will
Yan.
happen. It will. It
Power.
Will. It will. Hindi sinabi ko, tinatawag na nga ang philosopher ni Zach eh. Kasi,
Philosopher.
You're becoming a philosopher. Like, kasi yung mga sinasabi ko, you gotta say this to yourself every day, your affirmation na you're beautiful, like, you know, parang only gonna attract good things in my life.
Totoo yan.
Kasi you really have to talk to yourself na in a positive way all the time. Para yun yung ma-attract mo.
Nakakatuwa.
May affirmation. Ikaw ba?
Actually, ang dami ko natutunan sa talk today. Kasi kahit ako may pinagdadaanan din naman eh. Pero parang ako kasi, ang iniisip ko na lang is, it's part of growing up.
No.
Parang
Wow.
ganon.
Line din yan ni Char before.
Ganun tayo. Ganun din kasi yung iniisip ko. Pero hindi pala dapat ganun. Dapat ina-acknowledge mo yung nangyayari sa'yo and at the same time, you do something about it. Diba? Kasi yun yung importante. Hindi yung parang sinasponge mo lang lahat. Tapos bigla kang sasabog.
Oo.
Yung ganun.
And like when we acknowledge the thing that's causing this crisis or this misery, dapat we're prepared to go deep. Kasi minsan, we're trying to solve yung mga symptoms na nung problem but not the root cause. Diba? So kaya siya bumabalik ng bumabalik and nakakapagod yung problema mo paulit-ulit.
And then you're not doing anything about it.
Like today you're fine, hindi mo naisip yung problema mo, tapos bukas or
Ganun na
makalawa
naman.
parang andun na
You
naman
go
siya.
in circles, no?
Because we haven't really we weren't taught how to go deep and to actually address ano ba talaga yung root cause nung issues na nafe-feel mo or yung emotions na nafe-feel mo. Kasi
Totoo.
gusto natin quick.
Nasa surface lang.
We just wanted to go away. Push the
That's why
disappointment.
yung mga tao like they drink alcohol.
To numb it.
Yung mga-
Make it go away temporarily. And
temporary
then, when the
solution.
party is gone, the crowd is gone, you're on your own, self-talk is kicking in, hala, ayan na naman siya.
Saka na-realize ko din talagang everything that happens in your life is a lesson talaga. Whatever it is.
An opportunity.
Opportunity
hindi negative. Like,
Parang hindi ba sinabi na if the door closes, dun ka sa ibang door naman.
marami kasing doors.
Marami door.
Minsan
marami
nagpo-focus
door.
tayo sa iisa lang. Hindi natin nakita yung iba. Totoo din.
Kasi ano tayo di ba, bata ka pa lang, ang unang tanong sa'yo, what do you wanna be when you grow up? What's your dream job? Na parang, it's as if, am I supposed to know what I
How
want?
would you even know?
At 8, at such a young age na parang people around us, especially siguro yung mga mas matatanda, kasi they want the possibility na nagdi-dream sila for you. May ganun
yung mga parents natin.
Yeah, and so I think somehow we think we're already supposed to know where we're headed and what we want in life. Or in fact, these things changes. What you want last year,
It's different.
it's different to what you
totoo
want.
yan.
Because
Actually,
yun nga,
totoo yan.
back to Pau's topic, di ba, lagi tayo nag-grow. And the more na you keep working on yourself, the more na marire-focus
Nag-iiba.
yung gusto mo in
Yung
life.
goal, nag-iiba.
Like siya,
Yes.
akala niya done na siya with bike riding kasi nagkaroon ng goal na mag-travel. And kung limited yung resources mo, yung money mo, hindi pwedeng nag-bike ride ka and then nagta-travel ka.
Yeah, that's
Alam mo,
true. That's
diba?
true. Yeah.
And
Saka,
then,
I thought I was gonna settle down na, gonna have a baby
Yeah,
soon. Pero,
yeah.
not yet.
yeah. So, I think, siguro para makatulong din sa mga may pinagdadaanan or maybe approaching,
Yep.
how would you describe your journey in terms of allowing yourself to pivot na wag mong ipilit yung isang bagay kung hindi na yun yung gusto mo because you're actually limiting yourself from living your potential in a fulfilled life.
I mean, yeah, parang you can try a lot of things naman. But if it doesn't work out for you, then try mo yung other stuff. Like, I think life is all about searching. Kung ano mag-work out sa'yo. Yeah.
Like, just don't stop.
Just don't stop.
Don't
I think
stop
even
believing.
if you're freaking, I don't know, 98 years old, whatever, as long as you're living,
Sana
like, just
all
keep...
90.
No, what I'm saying is like, because some people, like 100, whatever, like,
Yeah.
you just have to keep searching kung saan ka sasaya. Saka, I think na-realize ko din na before you can put happiness into people, then, like, you have to be happy yourself.
Yeah.
Like,
totoo yun.
there's so much traumas that we've been through, like, especially when we were younger.
Ang
Diba?
ganda nun. Oo, life is all about searching.
Yeah.
Totoo siya kasi ganun talaga yung nangyayari. Yun yung reality eh.
Pero yung mga pwede ba mga budget-friendly na mga searching tips? Kasi iba, let me search for myself in Bali. Wa? Kaya na nagsa-soul searching sa ibang bansa.
Let me search for myself in the toilet.
But,
Nung mga panahon ng magulang natin, hindi pa uso yung,
Mga
may
ganyan.
depression na
Yeah.
and anxiety, pero hindi siya trend.
Hindi siya mainstream conversation.
Hindi siya mainstream conversation.
It's not a topic na you can just bring up and everyone knows what it means.
But I feel like the life before was so much easier than now. Feeling ko lang.
oo naman. Kasi lahat may matututunan mo through podcast, through YouTube,
what I'm
everything.
saying is, simple lang yung buhay before. And then,
I
like,
don't
you're
think it's
happy.
easier, but it's much simpler.
Simple, okay.
It's
It
much
was simple.
simpler.
Much simpler kasi dahil hindi pinapa-complicate ng mga tao yung mga bagay-bagay.
Now it's so different. Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ngayon kasi daming options eh.
And easy access na lahat ngayon.
And you can see them on social
soul
media.
searching, di ba? Oh.
Oh, tsaka yung comparison. Before, hindi mo naman nakikita yung mga ginagawa ng mga tao eh.
That's true.
So if you set your eyes on one thing and one thing only, you're actually happy doing that. Pero ngayon, nako-compare natin na, bakit
Yeah,
sila
that's so
nagta-travel?
Would you agree na malaking part yung social media
Oo naman.
na nakaka-apekto
Definitely.
dyan?
Oo naman.
Definitely. Mental health, no?
Oo naman.
Definitely.
100%.
Kahit ako guilty ako dyan na parang, I'm okay, pero the minute na may nakita ko na doing better than me, parang kino-question ko kung, am I on the right track? Or have I done enough? Kasi bakit sila ang layo na nila? And then, I go back to yung mga, mga negative self-talk ko. Yung negative self-talk ko, yung younger self ko.
Pero, parang you can think it different way naman na parang, you can, na-inspire ka dun sa kanila instead of like, are you doing more than them o ganyan.
Yeah.
Kung mindset mo ganun.
Ayun nga, parang, like, before, I think, dati rin yung parang nainggit ako, ang galing nito mag-bike, ganyan. Pero ngayon, pinag-a-add ko talaga yung may inspire ako na, shit, I wanna be like this.
Wait.
So,
Well, ako
how do you
naman-
change that mindset though?
Wait, parang
No, it's
for me, hindi
hard.
siya inggit. For me, it's like, or ewan ko, in a positive note, parang nakakrush mo. Ano bang term doon? Parang na-appreciate mo kasi ang galing niya na sana ikaw maging ganun ka din.
Yeah, that's true.
Pag sinabi mo kasing inggit is, gusto mong may mangyaring masama sa tao para hindi niya na magawa yun. Parang ganun kasi yun, di
I wanna
ba?
be like that
Or
too.
binabash mo, pero deep
Or
down,
binabash.
insecure ka lang. Kaya, it comes out
That's
as
envy.
envy,
Okay,
pero deep
okay,
down,
okay.
insecure
Yeah,
ka.
yeah.
Yung sa akin naman, parang kunyari, kasi ako, I was into, ever since I'm into motivational speaking and coaching, and then I see the people that have made it on top, na parang sabi ko, sana I started this 10 years ago. Sana pala, when I went into that one-day free event to become a coach, sana sinimulan ko talaga siya 10 years ago pa. Baka ngayon, nandun na rin ako.
But
Totoo.
nothing is too late,
It's
though.
not always the
Yeah.
material things na, the house, the car. Sometimes
yeah,
it's
yeah,
just like, yung talent and yung gift, sana 10 years tinrabaho ko na siya. And then maybe right now, ang dami ko nang natulungan. Not necessarily the status, but imagine if I really went into like talagang locked and serious na ako na ito na talaga. But ang dami kong distractions.
Iba kasi yung pakiramdam
Nag-enjoy
eh,
ako, living life, party.
I can say the same thing na sana hindi ako nag-stop mag-motorbike.
Di ba may mga ganong moments
May mga
ka?
ganun. Super galing ko na siguro
Na,
ngayon.
oo.
Pero like, at the end of the day, nothing is too late to start something again.
No, that's so pretty.
Nag-grow ka na din naman eh. So, kung
Yeah.
dati hindi ka pa ready, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang ako, ganun din ako eh. Yung mga commitment ko sa mga bagay, like nag-aral ako nito and then kung natapos ko na siya ngayon, baka ilan na yung client ko, di ba?
Ilan na yung natulungan ko.
May ganun din siya.
Ilan na yung natulungan ko, di ba?
Exactly.
So ngayon,
Lahat tayo may ganun. Feeling ko
so
nga.
ngayon, bumabalik na naman ako. But may something talaga na hindi siya nawawala sa isip mo eh. Andun lang siya, but
Yung parang na-stuck lang siya dun.
Stuck
no?
lang siya
yung
doon.
Yung being a nutritionist yun.
oo, nutritionist, di ba? So, yung lagi siyang andun lang, but you're not doing anything.
Oh, that's so true.
Kay
Ang
Cathy
hirap.
naman, motivational speaker.
Motivational speaker, coach, and then business owner. Like,
Ay,
yung
wala.
mga, ang dami
CEO.
talaga.
Rice PH CEO.
Oh, pero kasi, yun na yung tingin kong, yung sinasabi ni Char na parang hinahanap mo yung purpose mo, yung mission mo. I think you already know.
You just
If
don't
you
know
just-
how to execute it.
But you just don't want to commit. Because what if you fail? What if you gave it a go, you failed, and you realize
May
hindi
fear.
pa pala yun? There's
Fear
a
of
fear of
failure.
discovering na whether this is actually for me or not. Pero ako, naniniwala talaga ako na nandyan na yan eh. Otherwise, bakit ka nagkakaroon ng mga visions and ideas if that thing is not meant for you? And then, dinelay ko lang. That's what I learned, na yung 10 years na yon na inupuan ko lang yung vision ko to help, to coach. Sabi ko, yun na yung regret na, okay, it's never too late to start, pero if I can go back, 10 years ago, sana tinrabaho ko na.
Oo naman.
Yun lang yung what if ko. Pero yun na nga, bumabalik din ako ngayon.
Babalik ka din. So, ito nasa puso mo talaga
Bumabalik
eh.
na ako kahit small steps lang. Nagpagawa na ako ng business card. And then right now, I'm actually working with a graphic artist and strategist para sila yung mag-create ng logo design for me. And then ako lang yung nagbibigay ng concept. O diba? It's like taking
That's
small
nice.
steps. Kahit na sabihin mong wala pa yung big audience or
Yeah.
wala
But
ka
I
pang
think-
speaking gig.
Yeah.
Pero at least I'm really doing the small steps.
I think din kasi siguro, maybe before, it wasn't meant for you. Ngayon pa lang
Or hindi ako ready.
Yeah,
Hindi lang
hindi ka
ako
ready.
emotionally,
May ganun
I'm not ready. Yung goals ko was like to travel.
Yes,
And then,
yes.
may mga material things ako na gusto. So, you cannot actually create and be a consumer at the same time. That's very hard. When your focus is on creating, dun ka. Create ka.
Creating
Create
ka lang.
value for people. Pero kung consumer ka, that's where your money and your time goes. Bili ng ganito, travel ng ganyan. 'Di ba? So,
Totoo.
yun lang, na ano ko lang, na na-realize ko lang talaga na what if we actually just did the thing na feel mong gusto mong gawin ngayon na.
Or minsan kasi pag bata ka pa, ang dami mong gusto eh. Hindi ka makapili
Ang
kung
daming
ano ba
options.
talaga ako. Like yung ano ba sabi mo, Ging, yung nutritionist ka, photographer ka, videographer ka, fitness coach ka, or whatever it is. Di ba minsan ang dami. Pero pwede naman sigurong lahat yun, di ba? And then mag-focus ka lang dun sa isa. Kung saan mo
But minsan nga
ibubuhos
ganun,
yung energy mo.
Yun yung problema natin sa sarili natin eh. Madaming options.
options.
Madami kang nilagay dun sa table mo or sa plate mo. But hindi mo alam kung ano yung uunahin mo. So I think you start with one lang muna. And then,
Sa bagay, mas better
oo,
na.
alam mo yun. And
Andun
then
yung focus
execute, finish it, and then one thing at a time.
Pero paano mo ba ma-identify na, ito na talaga yun? Ito na talaga
Hindi
yung
mo
gagawin ko.
mararamdaman mo yun eh.
Kaya,
Parang meron siyang she's finding her calling and purpose in doing that thing. Kasi how do you actually know if it's that thing? Okay, number one, it keeps coming back. It's like that little whisper. It doesn't, kasi kung ego lang yan, you want it for fame and status and money, it's very loud. It's very loud to the point na parang hindi nga siya genuine eh. It's not from the heart.
ayun nga eh. Yung
Like
parang,
ikaw, yung sabi mo, yung mga bikers ngayon, gusto lang nila mag-create ng content. They're not doing it just for the craft.
Yeah.
Or
It's
for
just
the
like-
skill and
yeah,
for the
yeah,
love
yeah.
of it, diba?
Yeah.
Pero siya, bumabalik siya. So, ibig sabihin, lumipas na yung trend and all.
yun talaga yung love
Yung
niya.
pa rin yung gusto mo. Kasi may mga,
Yun talaga yung passion ko, I think.
kasi merong mga profession or mga nauuso sa online na trend lang talaga. Like, kunyari yung mukbang, di ba trend? Dumaan yung trend, pero nagmumukbang ka ba kasi you really want to entertain through food or kasi may pera lang dyan. Kaya ka nagmumukbang. To the point na yung health mo, nagsasuffer na pala.
Oo nga, totoo yan.
Nagsuffer na pala.
Not to, offend yung mga
Sorry,
nagmumukbang.
yung mga
Pero ang dami nagmumukbang.
Exactly. Nagmumukbang ka kasi na-entertain mo
For the sake of
yung
the
mga
money.
tao. Tapos yung health mo naman, yun yung nagsasuffer.
Yeah, is there how is that your thing or it was just a thing and then sinakyan mo because somehow you're getting the likes kasi ganun naman kapag in-trend siya, 'di ba?
Anything na sobra is bad for you. Kahit pagulay, lettuce yung
But it's so
kainin
bad
mo.
that like you're not
Isang
even meant to
sako.
eat that much food. You know, like I mean, there's so many people na nagutom tapos you just eat that at
May
in one
ganun, no?
go.
For the sake of content or
So
social
bad.
media.
Pero
Magustuhan ka ng mga
naisip
tao.
ko din gumawa ng content na ganyan, no? Like, magmukbang ako. But nag-iba lang yung mindset ko kasi nga, like, may nafe-feel din ako sa sarili ko, di ba? Na, sabi ko.
But you're just doing it for the sake of the
but
money then.
Sabi ko, no, hindi ito yung
Or
yun.
kasi
Parang
nga
dumaan
trend
lang.
siya
Hindi yun
na
yung calling mo.
Oo, hindi yun. Parang dumaan lang siyang
You're
gano'n.
not
And then I
inspiring
forget.
anyone to like just keep eating,
Okay, and
diba?
let's just say even if it's not for the money, you created content because trend siya. Pero what's in it?
Trend
What's really in it for you? What are you getting out of it? Kasi nga hindi ka naman like hindi ka naman talaga food blogger or content creator na mukbang pero nag-i-invest ka ng time doon. So what a waste of time kung hindi mo naman talaga calling or passion yun, ginagawa mo lang
Waste
because
of time
everyone
talaga,
else is
for
doing
sure.
it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like ako, for example, there's a part of me na naaano ko. Akala ko baka lang, nakikisakay lang ako sa trend like when I create like yung mga videos ko when I work out.
Yeah.
Pero na-realize ko, after how many videos na na-film ko na sa phone ko, siguro mahigit 100 na, and I still do it. You know why? Because it's aligned to who I am. To my purpose.
Fit petite.
Hindi man siya high quality kasi wala pa akong videographer na full-time. Char! Hindi, kasi yung 'di ba, parang ang sarap kasi yung kung iisipin mo may nagdo-document na health journey mo. Pero I just do it through my own way na kahit yung phone ko full memory na talagang dinidelete ko yung mga unnecessary, irrelevant na from my past version and then I make room for my health and fitness
Dinedelete
videos.
mo yung mga picture ng pagkain doon sa restaurant.
Oo, kasi sabi ko talaga, I really want to remember these moments na nag-gym ako, nag-workout ako kasi align talaga siya with who I am.
Kasi before ka nag-gym and nag-lose ng weight, di ba foodie ka talaga?
Foodie talaga.
Yun
Halos lahat, like laman ng Instagram ko, puro
Puro food
pagkain.
talaga.
Yung phone ko, puro pagkain, ordering. Sabi ko, anong...
Selfie with the
Sabi ko
food.
sa'yo foodie
So,
siya
nagkaroon
talaga.
din talaga ng transformation na parang ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong nagpo-post ng mga food. More of na lang talaga.
Fitness.
Pero
Fitness.
tinanggal mo ba sa system mo yung pagiging foodie mo? Nung
Hindi,
naging fitness
andito pa rin
enthusiast?
siya. Naubos
Foodie
ko
ka pa
nga yung
din.
pastry kanina eh.
Ayun na.
Oo, pero mas siguro mas malakas or mas strong yung drive ko ngayon to balance eating with working out and at the same time to not lose myself again. Kasi kapag nawala sa akin yung pag-workout ko tsaka yung routine ko, feeling ko I'm
from zero
starting
ka
to
na
slip.
naman.
I'm starting to slip again. And then madidisappoint na naman ako sa sarili ko and then mag-start na yung spiral. Nag-spiral downwards
Start ka na naman
ako.
yung biglang
Just going in circles again.
Yeah.
emotional eating ka na naman.
Yeah,
Ang
or
hirap
mag-
i-break yung cycle na yun.
Pero bumabalik kahit anong mangyari, bumabalik ako dun sa health and fitness kasi baka dun din talaga
talaga.
aligned
Yeah.
yung calling and purpose ko. Like I'm not doing it just for the trend or for the likes or for whatever reason other than gusto ko healthy ako and then I-inspire ko yung friends and family ko na you don't have to have like all these crazy workout stunts. You just do it for self-love and self-care.
So,
Eat and
so
sleep
Char,
and
ano
poop.
yung maipapayo mo pala sa mga viewers natin who like went through the same...
Oo, ayun. Anong maipapaya mo sa kanila?
I think,
Yung mga
ano lang talaga for me, I feel like be kind to yourself kasi walang gagawa para sa yun eh. Ikaw lang ang magagawa nun. And you're the only one who can change your life talaga.
Not
You
your
can't-
family, not your
No,
partner.
not your family, not your partner. Like, you can't rely on anyone else with your sa happiness mo. So, whatever it is, just freaking do it.
Ikaw.
That's so deep.
Deep. Nice.
Wow,
Okay,
ang galing.
Deep dive. Ito yung mga deep dive na gusto natin.
Oo, di ba?
Nang alcohol-free tayo.
Ng alcohol-free. Oo. Wala tayo.
Kape lang.
mamaya na
Kape
lang.
lang pwede.
Pero may hangover. Bike hangover. Hindi ba sumakit katawan mo?
Hindi. Impit ko lang.
Ako din. Parang may pasa.
First episode natin na wala akong sakit.
bakit?
Walang may hangover.
Oo nga.
Last time may hay fever ako.
Uy,
then-
grabe yung first episode na walang walang
Di
init.
ba first episode na clean?
Oo.
We're
Talaga?
Bakit?
We're in a really good state today. I don't know why.
True.
Maybe it's me.
And Cathy made it on time.
Oo nga!
Yes. Yan, kasama yan sa breakthrough challenge ko.
My
Ano
God.
yun?
Naki-curious ako, Kati. Tatanungin ko lang, anong speed mo kanina nag-drive ka?
100 to 110.
200?
Hindi, kwento mo muna bakit ka nag-speeding and bakit ka
Hindi ako makapag-speeding kasi si Dayan, binabantayan niya yung speed limit ko. Kasi I'm driving her car.
Hi, Dayan.
Hi, ka. So, nagdadrive ako ng car niya. Tapos, nakikita ko siya tumitingin sa dashboard. Hindi ako
Talaga?
yung speeding ko, mga +4, +5. Ganun lang. Kasi
Hindi
nga,
mga 20, no?
Ay, hindi ka naman mag-over pag ganun lang eh.
hindi ako
Na-pressure.
Parang feeling ko, parang may nagmamasid. So, hindi ko magawa yung gusto ko. So, I behave.
Hindi, tsaka yung mga titas, baka
Hindi,
kabahan
syempre,
naman.
I have passengers in the back kasama yung tita and pinsan ko. So, I'm really good with ano si Batman,
Sabi nga ni
diba?
Char, diba? Live in the moment. You don't have to
You
pressure
have to live in the
yourself.
moment talaga.
Yeah.
Sarap ng kain namin ng fish and chips kanina.
Wow,
sa may
diba?
Central
Live in the
Coast
moment.
eh.
Parang life is so short to worry about what's gonna happen in the future. Tas yung past mo rin, iniisip mo pa like, it already happened. You can't change it anymore.
Live in the present.
Diba? You can't change anymore kung ano man nangyari sa past mo eh. Diba?
Totoo yun.
Ano ba yung imumukmuk mo? For what?
Oh my God. Like, I can hear this conversation na, alam mo yun. Yung, para ako galing sa landmark eh. Pag nagsasay si Char eh. Parang na, ano
Alam
lang
mo,
eh.
kanina ko pa naisip yan. I haven't done landmark yet. Pero ano kasi akong tao, napaka-analytical ko pagdating sa mga ganyan.
Live in the moment.
Tine-check ko lahat. Pati reviews, ayun, and stuff. So, may idea na ako doon sa kung ano yung gagawin. Tapos yung lahat ng knowledge na na-absorb ko doon sa pag-research ko, naririnig ko sa kanya. So, sabi ko, hindi pa siya nagla-landmark niya na. Ang dami niyang alam.
Yeah. Hindi, kasi ano tayo eh, yung energy is contagious.
True.
The ideas
That's so
here,
true.
it's very
That's
contagious.
so
Kaya nga
true.
sabi ko, iba yung aura ng podcast ngayon.
Yeah.
It's like, wow, this is I think this is gonna be one of our best-selling episode. Wow!
And I really love the color.
Kasi din kahapon, di ba, we had a really good conversation
Deep
din.
din, deep
Oo,
dive
deep
din,
din,
ano?
di ba? Kahapon sa
Habang
bike.
nagbabay, kaya pagod na pagod ako eh. Nag-uphill, nagkakwentuhan. Totoo.
Yeah, kasi kung kahit kung di nyo maitatanong, the first 2 months of doing this podcast, trial siya.
Oo.
So, parang kami, parang half committed, although we try to just learn and do our best and then see if this is the thing for me. Kasi sabi ko, di ba, back to Pau's question, how do you know if this is the thing for you? Kasi for so long, pinaplano nila, mag-podcast tayo, wala nangyayari. And then when it finally happened, sabi ko, before tayo mag-invest sa mga equipments and actually do a proper setup,
Mag-practice muna kayo.
let's practice it. Kasi
Yeah.
maybe you just like the idea,
Of it.
but you don't
Yeah.
want to
Momentary,
do the
that's true.
work.
Then baka mawala.
Yeah, kasi kunyari, siya gusto yung maging videographer, but do you actually like editing for 5 hours there na nakatitig ka lang sa screen? Because that's actually the crux of what it's like to be a videographer. Like, you take the footage and then nag-edit ka pa. 'Di ba? So kami, dito sa podcasting, parang, huy, gusto mo ba talaga yung nandyan ka sa microphone for a couple of hours, naririnig mo yung boses mo, nag-i-impromptu speaking ka, hindi structured, and you just keep going and going and going. After 2 months, the answer is still yes. It's still the same feeling like when we did our first episode, maybe even more.
Yeah.
Tapos di ba yun yung pinaplano natin na mag-guesting na kami. Okay, it happened. A week, di ba nag-Mighty Hotdog tayo? Sabi ko, guys, sure ba kayo? Kasi yung episode last week about Super Mighty Hotdog, ang
Tas ngayon,
kalokohan lang. Tapos ngayon, midlife crisis. Uy, masyadong seryoso.
Yung tinanong ako ni Ging, nagdalawang isip ako noon eh. Pero sabi ko, I mean, I got nothing to lose, you know. Like, I just have to share my experience. Kasi, parang, for me, if I say na, tol, kinakabahan ako, I'm making excuses. And I don't want to keep making excuses. Kaya sabi ko kay sige, tol, bahala.
Sabi mo, di ba, you live in the moment. Enjoy mo
Kaya
lang.
sabi ko sa, ay, naku, kinakabahan ako. Like, I don't know what to expect. Kasi I've never done this before.
Sakto, no? Parang nag-grow din yung podcast natin na from hotdog, bata ka pa, biglang nagka-quarter life.
Ang question.
Yan. So, before we end today's episode, meron kaming mga pabaon. Kasi last time nung Super Mighty Hotdog, ang ending is kakain lang kami pero wala nang nakalimutan namin magbigay ng takeaway. Yan. Kasi, syempre kami, habang nagpa-podcast, ang dami rin naming natututunan from each other and from our guest. So, okay din talaga na we end every podcast with just one idea or one thing that made an impact para sa guest and so sino gustong mauna? Dare to be bold.
Okay. I'm bold. So, I will be bold. Charet. I manifest. Ayun.
I wanna
Hindi naman bold star. Hindi pwede. Hindi papasa, girl.
Hindi pasok sa 1%.
Pick out ka sa 1%.
Hindi na ako 1% noon. Anyway, ang dami ko natutunan actually for today's video.
Wow.
Unang-una, parang yun nga, you just don't think about yung problems na nararanasan mo as part of growing up. So, you should acknowledge Hindi lang siya yung tatanggapin mo lang na, wala, ganun talaga Parang it is what it is.
Growing up lang
Yeah,
to
because it's not. It's not, it is what it is.
Yeah.
But, it is something that you should do something about it. Kasi, yun yung makakapag-resolve ng problem mo Kasi kung hinayaan mo lang na mangyari, it will be a cycle. Ulit-ulit na mangyayari sa'yo. Diba? So, yun, yung una. And then, pangalawa, of course, you should be bold. Yun nga, like what I've mentioned earlier. Kasi, if you do something half-heartedly, yung parang, may naisip kang gawin, pero, ang dami mong in-overthink Hindi mo siya nasimulan kasi iniisip mo, negative na agad. Baka hindi pumatok kung businessman yan or baka i-judge ako kung, ano ba yan, content creating ba yan or whatever it is. Parang madalas kasi ganon yung naiisip ng tao. Parang kailangan maganda yung tingin sa akin ng iba.
Yeah.
Before you do something, parang ginudge mo na rin yung sarili mo noon di ba? So, ayun na nga. So, unang-una, yung experience ng quarter life crisis or midlife crisis nga is something that you should embrace. Kasi it is something na marami kang marereflect on yung mga mistakes mo, decisions mo, and then how you will align it to your present self. Yun nga, di ba? Tama nga yung sinabi ni Cathy and ninyo kanina na hindi mo dapat pinoproblema yung future kasi no one knows what will happen in the future You should live in the present and then, enjoy yung life. So, yun lang po.
Bigyan ng trophy.
Nice.
Ganda ng sagot. Yan. So, ako naman, siguro yung mga napagdaanan kong crisis before in my personal life, a lot of it has to do with the regrets. So, notorious ako when it comes to beating myself up for the things na sana noon ko ginawa, sana before sineryoso ko na. Marami akong ganung moments na parang feeling ko, nagkakaroon ako ng crisis kasi where I am right now is where I don't want to be. And the reason for that is because hindi ko tinrabaho or hindi ko ginoals ng maayos yung mga dreams and ambitions ko before. So, to help with overcoming that crisis, I think it's important that we start to dream again for ourselves. And I want to stop regretting yung mga bagay na hindi ko ginawa nun. Kasi may time pa rin naman ako ngayon So if meron akong mga excuses in the past bakit hindi ko siya ginawa, I want to say to myself right now na, okay, this time, if you're really serious about what you want to do, pursue it and stop living in excuses. Because if I keep going with this mindset na wala akong time, wala akong resources, wala akong passion or motivation, in 5 to 10 years time, I will look back in this present moment and then ito na naman yung sasabihin ko na, nagre-regret ako kasi hindi ko siya ginawa nun. So for me, it's not too late to really pursue your passion again, lalo na if that passion or yung dream mo na yon has been this voice or this whisper na paulit-ulit na bumabalik. Ibig sabihin, meron talagang will or meron talagang plan si God or yung universe para sa'yo. And you just have to take small steps para mabigyan mo rin yung sarili mo, mabuild mo rin yung self-confidence mo and yung self-belief na ito talaga yung para sa akin. Yun. Bigyan ng crush.
Very nice. Sa akin parang very short lang. Oh my God.
Okay lang yun,
Ang
short and
haba.
concise.
Ang haba-haba. Ang haba-haba ng mga nyo takeaway
Alam na.
So yun nga, takeaway is yun nga, be fearless. Yung fear na parang pag nafe-feel mo yan, you cannot move forward. So I like when actually Char said na iniisip mo lang siya, yung binibigyan mo ng meaning and then that meaning doesn't mean anything. So kaya hindi ka makagalaw in life. And thank you kay Char kasi ang daming nag-open up na pag na-experience ko yung mga ganyang bagay. Parang ngayon, kaya ko siyang harapin pag dumating, ako naman yung dumating sa ganung crisis.
Madaming realizations itong topic natin today. Nakakatuwa lang din. Kasi minsan parang okay ka naman wala ka namang anything, like wala kang pinaproblema. Pero nung napag-usapan natin to parang ay oo nga, mas naiintindihan mo yung nangyari sa'yo nun. Kung bakit nangyari yun at kung ano yung mas magandang ginawa mo sana. Parang ganun.
Saka I think naman lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin, it's always a lesson. Na, you know, you always learn something from it.
It's part of the journey.
It's part of the journey talaga.
So yeah. Yun lang.
Parang hindi ko narinig si Char ngayon na yung favorite expression niya na, I was young back then. So nag-ano na talaga siya, nag-elevate na
Transform.
talaga siya,
Isang I was
transform na
young
siya.
back then dyan.
Yung part of growing up na kanya
lagi
yun
sabi
eh.
niya, this is
yan.
part of growing up. I was young back then. Pero I think,
Expression niya talaga yun.
I was young back
Pag
then.
nag-sharing siya ng something embarrassing or something
Oh my
sharing.
God.
You always say that kasi tumatanda tayo ng tumatanda.
That's
So,
true. And you
palagi-
say I was young back then, which is true naman.
Anyway, so thank you so much sa ating guest for today na COO.
Uy,
Si
grabe.
COO ito ng company.
Ano ba ito? Chief Okray Officer.
COO. Ano
hindi,
ba
pero
COO?
Totoo. Chief Operating Owner. Shit.
Officer.
Bakit totoo?
Chief Operation Officer. Ano ba?
Hindi, pero totoo, COO talaga si Miss Charmaine.
Di nga.
ng Air Conditioning and Electrical in Homebush West.
Yep.
Yes.
So, siya,
So, lalagyan natin yan dyan.
Hello kay Zach, ang kanyang CEO.
Ang CEO and baby.
Yeah.
Yep. But I will be my own boss very
Yeah.
soon.
Siya
Yes,
naman
I can't
kasi,
wait.
parang maybe it's time for you to fly.
Saka, hindi, kasi di ba sinabi ko sa'yo, like, I was so lost na hindi ko na talaga alam yung anong gagawin ko. Pero now, like, I have a vision talaga that I wanna create. Yeah.
Support
Ang
ka
ganda.
namin dyan.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
excited too. I'm really
Actually,
excited.
reach out ka lang pag may kailangan ka. Alam mo na yun. But some tayo, si Cathy,
Busy
bag
ako.
gusto mo mentor. 24/7 nga, sabi mo kanina. May
Oo, guys, ilalagay namin yung number ni Cathy down below.
Busy
nakalagay
pala.
na dun sa unaw eh.
Wag muna this next 6
Just call her name and she'll be there.
may kailangan lang akong tapusin in this next 6 months. After nun,
Oh,
available
tagal naman
na
nun.
ulit.
Sabi mo 24/7 eh.
Binabawi ko na.
Walang
Binabawi ko
Okay,
na.
so nagtulog yan ng 7 months ha. Maawa kayo. Huwag niyo istorbo.
Kailangan kong bumawi sa tulog for 6 months.
Just kidding. Ayun na nga.
Yeah.
So, ayun na nga. So, thank you for
Thank
coming.
you for having me here.
Thank you, Char.
Thank you, Char.
Thank you.
And thank you din sa ating mga hosts for today. Thank you mga kumars.
Oo, galing pa akong Central Coast. Puyat pa ako. Wala pa akong tulog.
Tinan nyo.
And you made it.
Going 8 month na yung puyat niya.
Yeah. Kasi I really make sure I have time for family. Kasi minsan pag nagkaka-crisis, yan na yung signs na off balance na tayo sa mga important things in life. So, kahit medyo nakakapagod, I have to give time sa family. And
Of
then,
course.
diba? Sa
Yeah.
podcast, sa tulog. Sana sa tulog din.
Actually, aga ko nagising kanina. Parang
Excited
feeling ko dami
ka?
kong energy. No, I wanna, like, gusto kasi, ko, parang on time, like, meron akong time to prepare pag dumating si Char or pag syempre, dapat VIP treatment pag kahit friend natin. Kasi practice you have to.
Tapi, syempre, yun nga, we just have to do our best to balance what's important for us.
Of course.
Kasi kahit
Work-life balance.
Oo, kahit life will just happen. So, yan, kung may projects and then family commitments, minsan kailangan lang maging flexible, di ba?
Yes.
Gaano ka flexible ang flexible?
Super. Kailangan super flexible tayo. Yan.
Kayang mag-backbend.
May pang Carlos Yulo flexible.
Carlos Yulo. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you want to catch and replay our previous episodes, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Spotify. Just type in the 1% Marites.
Yeah. So that's the THE, yung number 1, and then yung percentage sign, Marites.
1S lang tayo, guys, ha? 1S. Kasi usually, minsan tinatype nila Marites,
1%?
double S.
1%.
Ang dami namang 1% nun.
Oh, kasi maraming Marites but we are the 1%. Oh, yan, di ba?
1% lang.
Yeah. And help us grow our channel or our Facebook page because we're starting out, and with your help, I think we can reach more Marites all over the world. Hindi lang
That's so
Pilipinas,
true.
di ba? Pang-international yung beauty mo tsaka yung boses mo.
Beauty mo!
Beauty ko, boses mo.
Aabot tayo ng Brazil.
Si Pao kasi talaga yung may pinaka-natural na parang radio.
Hindi yan
radio
true.
voice.
Charisma.
Charismatic church.
Charisma.
Charis.
Yan. So, thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
Yeah. Pag may mga tanong pa kayo, next week na lang. Kasi we're out of time.
Ilalagay namin number ni Cathy down below.
Na in 6 months time. Joke lang pala yung 24/7 ako available.
24/7. Huwag ka na matulog, girl. 1 year yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
De, pero seryoso, kung merong dyan, may mga crisis kayo dyan, phone a friend, or if you're doing well and you think some of your friends are struggling, just send them a text or a message. Yeah, just ask them, are you